Hey guys, this is Paul from Day-to-Day Fixes. Today I have this microwave and we need to update the time. Model number is FMOS1846BSA. There's actually two ways to do this. You can hold the timer and put in a time, 7:33. It says press start. We can do that, and it sets the time. All right. Another way I found out is you can hold the timer, put in the time, and then press the timer again, and the time is still good. All right. This was a little bit confusing initially, but that's how you set the time. Thank you guys.